Sedaya. Ini upaya.
Kemudian burung dan akor benam ya ma pemik kino ki kendrup kendam kiji keluar nang taruh ba nginpek ba kateka ma kasurok kendong kebalai nak kajin penwit baki kaliki ya kiyang kikali kibanyen kiyang bitang sate jasa itu bukan pet bulkom nang ta mengipat kipat barok nginpek akan di area ban pet akan di kejing kai kita ke ba nak ada tengah sobat kedua pahami pi ba akan di keporu na IT ha isar osi kendak ba inkran akan di kepor
Each for the right to a third star on their national jersey. Bundles of romance around it, yes. But Alan, what is the nuts and bolts reality of this football match? I suppose you would argue that Argentina are under a little bit more pressure. They've got the bulk of their supporters here. Obviously France are World Cup winners, holders of... World Cup four with a back four, they have also through the competition and deep within games. As the first start by Chormeni. Alexis McAllister. On the other. It's not actually well to the ball, but of course, I got the might come out of the other player. He might well do it at some stage. Try and find his space. Mbappe doesn't track back. Messi getting onto that side as well. It could be a Messi. 1-2s at time. Chased up by Tanya Fico. It's Di Maria who's offside. Really perhaps something. Riley Sargent team have started. Once again, featured out the left-hand side. Di Maria started all three of the group games.
Nyampe ada kena. Udah شو عبوتو لما كنا تبي في الشكل.
Scoring their last two World Cup finals. Extra time in Rio de Janeiro 8 years ago, back in 1990, beaten by a penalty, 5 minutes from time, Mackley Burma in Rome. Their first World Cup final goal since Jorge Borsaga in the Azteca in 1986. 3-2 winner against West Germany. Much better corner this one than the earlier one. Steps back by McAllister. Mango's made himself time. Marina once more for the goals for full back. Messi. Messi kicks his way through the middle of McAllister. Now Di Maria. The Lord Di Maria. Di Maria has come up with a very clever answer. Master Alvarez. Has not been overturned since 1954, West Germany and Hungary. Rochester cannot progress. Football must toy with the friends, not match.